Welcome to Green Office Partner Training. I'm going to show you how to choose the original type when scanning to an email. You simply click the email app. You'll go down to where it says Original Type, and you click on that. Then simply go to More. And then you can choose what your document is that you're sending and how the original was actually produced. The reason why this is so important is if you have a photograph copy of an original photo, it's going to need more adjustment than an original copy. So this will tell the machine what it will need to do to make that document look perfect when it's going to the end user. You simply hit OK. And then send.